Ever heard of Raiz and wondered if it's right for you? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of microinvesting and figuring out if Raiz is the right fit for your financial journey. Imagine this: you're out for coffee, scrolling through social media, and suddenly, an ad pops up for Raiz. Invest your spare change, it screams. Sounds enticing, right? But before you jump on board, let's break down what Raiz actually is and who it might be best suited for. Raiz is a popular microinvesting platform. Essentially, it allows you to invest small amounts of money, often rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. It's designed to be super easy and accessible, making investing feel less daunting. Here's the gist: you link your bank account to Raiz. Every time you make a purchase, Raiz rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if your coffee costs $3.75, Raiz will invest 25 cents on your behalf. You can also set up regular contributions, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Raiz offers a range of investment options, typically diversified portfolios with varying levels of risk. You can choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. They often use exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are baskets of stocks and bonds. Benefits of using Raiz. Accessibility: Raiz makes investing incredibly easy and accessible. No need to be a financial expert or have a massive starting sum. Affordability: start small. Even with small contributions, you can build a decent investment portfolio over time. Dollar cost averaging: by investing small amounts regularly, you're essentially dollar cost averaging, which helps to smooth out market fluctuations. Automation: set it and forget it. Once you link your account, Raiz handles the rest, making investing a seamless part of your daily routine. Potential drawbacks of Raiz. Fees: Raiz charges fees, which can eat into your returns. Be sure to understand the fee structure clearly. Limited control: you have limited control over your investments. You're essentially relying on Raiz chosen portfolios. Potential for lower returns: due to the small investment amounts and diversified portfolios, your returns might not be as high as more aggressive investment strategies. Not suitable for everyone: Raiz may not be the best option for everyone, especially those with specific investment goals or a high risk tolerance. Who is Raiz best for? Beginners: Raiz is excellent for those new to investing. It removes the intimidation factor and makes the process incredibly simple. Those with limited funds: if you can only afford to invest small amounts regularly, Raiz is a great way to get started. Those seeking convenience: if you prefer a hands-off approach to investing, Raiz automation features are a major plus. Those seeking diversification: Raiz offers diversified portfolios, which can help to spread your risk. Alternatives to Raiz. Robo-advisors: platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront offer similar automated investing services with potentially lower fees and more customization options. Discount brokerages: if you're comfortable doing your own research, consider discount brokerages like Vanguard or Fidelity, which offer low-cost ETFs and investment options. Traditional investment accounts: explore options like 401(k), IRAs, and taxable brokerage accounts, depending on your financial goals and tax situation. Raiz can be a valuable tool for some, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Carefully consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and budget before making a decision. Do your research, compare fees, and understand the potential risks and rewards. Have you used Raiz? What are your experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.